How to create a Steam account. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today's tutorial is on the creation of a Steam account. First of all, you need to have an email so you can create your account using that email. Now, head over to the Steam website and click on create an account if you're new to Steam, of course. Now, write down your email address right here, confirm it, the country of residence, confirm that you're not a robot, as usual on different websites, and check this box and click continue. After that, you'll be asked to create a nickname for your account, a username, and after that you'll have your account ready and set up after confirming your email by going in here and clicking on the confirmation email. Thanks for watching everyone, and don't forget to subscribe.